Hey guys, welcome to VA Store, an official VOGUE Automotive YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a boot spoiler for our G82 M4 shop car. This is actually the final touch that we need on our shop car. So we will be installing a Prepreg carbon fiber boot spoiler. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to install the spoilers, so you can do them at home. All the spoilers are pretty much the same, so this guide should apply to majority of them. So without further ado, let's get this installed. So we're going to be attaching a double-sided tape across the surface of the spoiler, which connects to our bootlet. So in this case, because the spoiler sort of folds over the bootlet, we will use a correct width double-sided tape here on the other side and across the whole bottom section. So what we're going to do now is peel off the sides of the double-sided tape, the middle section, the corner sections, and then get the spoiler aligned to the car. Once we're happy with alignment, then we're going to just peel the rest of the tape off while the spoiler is on the car and press it down to make sure adhesive sticks. All done. It looks so much better. I hope the video was useful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.